guys, it's your girl Askfrenchij, your girl next door, so that makes sure my neighbors. Hi neighbors, I am back however many years later to do a updated video on my tongue ring piercing. When I re-pierced it some years ago, I had it out for 5 years. 5 years, and I was just determined to get it back into my mouth. I am also just re-pierced this, so if you want to go see this, I will link the video for you to go see that. But yeah, this was out for a year, so yeah. But as far as my tongue ring is concerned, I have had no problems out of it. The week I re-pierced it, it just felt like, you know, I had a new piercing, and I just took care of it like it was a new piercing, and I rinsed with Listerine more often, and everything was fine. Since then, I have gone on Amazon and purchased me a whole bunch of tongue rings just to switch out constantly. Because after a while, you can get a little, anything can build up, you know, like how plaque builds up on your teeth. Plaque can build up on your tongue ring. So I just keep, you know, some fresh ones around. Or if the ball falls off like it did like a couple of weeks ago, I have a backup up here to come and put on. So right now, I don't have a starter tongue ring in, but I just have a basic tongue ring. That's what it looks like. All is well with it. So yeah, that's just an update on that. And like I said, I just pierced my ears. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, go check that out. But like I said, I've had no problems at all. I've got the most love and the most, that's like one of my most viewed videos, the tongue ring video. It's my most viewed video. That one and another video I have. But it's my most viewed video. I'm so happy that video has helped so many people get their tongue rings back in their mouth. Like, it's crazy to me seeing the comments like, it worked, it worked, it worked. Because I watched in that video having no clue what I was doing. I'm not a professional. I'm not a piercer. So it was just like, what? People are actually really getting these piercings in? Like, oh my God, I'm so excited. Because I know how excited I was to get it back in. And if I ever do any more re-piercing videos, like I said, I will tag it. And yeah, so I'm just so happy for you guys. You guys use that comment section as a hub for like discussing it with each other. I love it. So yeah, and then lastly, oh, I had a that's my last piercing that I took out. That's been out for over 5 years. But I'm so scared when it comes to the inside with, you know, the gum tissue area. Like, that's sensitive meat there. I'm so scared. So I don't know if I'll ever re-pierce that. But if I do, you can find it on YouTube. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel this many years. I appreciate you. Have a great day. Be careful out there. I'm not professional. Don't do this at home. Peace.